Today, I am doing the highly requested pottery.
No, what are you doing?
I don't know.
You didn't cut your nails?
Oh
my God. Ew.
Oh, my piece is going to be busted.
Oh.
Hi guys, today we are throwing pottery. I'm here with Danny D's Mud Shop, and we're gonna...
I'm not gonna do that.
Today we are at Danny D's Mud Shop, who has a lot of fans.
Hello, I'm Daniel, and I am a potter in East LA. I've been doing ceramics for about 1.5 years professionally, but I've been throwing on the wheel and doing what I do for about 5. Most of it for fun. Today,
I think I have been given the green light to make a small tumbler like this, and maybe at some point I can graduate up to like a bowl or something, but I think that I've only been greenlit for something as simple as a tumbler with no handle.
It's basically a column of clay with a base, and that's it. It's super easy.
I know pretty much nothing about pottery. I do know that there are some violently over-sexual boys on TikTok who are just slapping the shit out of clay like it's ass meat, and they'll also make like violent eye contact while they're like kneading holes into the mud, and it is the most uncomfortable thing I've ever seen. So that's pretty much the extent of what I know about pottery, is that
I don't do that, by the way. I use a lot of recycled clay, so it requires a lot of like wedging, which is basically you mold it and put pressure on it. You basically remove air bubbles, and then you kind of, that's not how you do it. And then you, you basically mix the clay nicely, so it becomes like a really smooth piece. This is full of air bubbles. It's like a piece of shit. This is now money.
Okay.
So there's a few different ways to wedge. Do I know the technical names? Not really, but there's a way where you do a cone wedging, I think. You basically, with this hand, push this way, but then this hand is resisting, so the clay molds into this cone. And then you keep doing it, and you roll it back to you. And then you keep doing it, roll it back. Make sure like you support your back. Don't throw your back out, we need you. No, what are you doing?
I don't know.
You gotta like really get in it. This is where you're gonna break your nails.
I do know that you're not supposed to have long nails. I do in fact have a wedding that I'm supposed to go to this weekend. If today goes really well and this is gonna be a new permanent hobby, listen, I'll do a full send commit on cutting my nails, but today is not that day. And so I found a possible workaround, and we'll see if it actually works.
You didn't cut your nails? Are you crazy? Oh my God, you're gonna be, okay, we'll figure it out. Wow. Oh my, I told you to cut your nails. For a piece this big, you wanna really like
put your back into it?
Just put your weight into it. Like, because your arms aren't gonna do it.
Transition,
like,
you got weak ass bitch arms.
Yeah, kinda, sorry. Push, now roll back. Okay, I'm just gonna, can I do this? No, but you have to like, you have to kind of have like a little bit of, no, it's fine, stop laughing. Focus.
I feel like I should have started with a little ball.
Okay, you want a little ball? Here.
Yeah.
Here you go. Can I show you one more technique?
Is it an easier one?
I believe it's called ram's horn wedging.
That sounds legit.
So see what I'm doing here?
Okay, so you're symmetrical now.
Yeah, instead of doing this curving like cone thing, I'm just bringing it forward and back. So when you press down, the clay naturally wants to give out, but you're using the pressure
I see, so these are the
keep
horns.
it in. This is like more basic.
Why didn't we start here?
Well, I don't know, that's you came to my studio.
You're like, you get what you get.
This should be easy. Yeah, there you go, yeah. Okay. Now, take it back and do it again, and then take it back and do it again. Yeah, there you go, boom.
And then
okay,
roll
now
it
take
back?
it back, yeah. Boom, go, come on.
No, is it a time limit?
Yeah, there you go. Look at this.
Oh my, look, it's a mini one.
Yo, it ain't bad.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Wow, look how smooth it is.
Look at it, it kind of looks like a gecko. What are you doing?
Getting hair to my face.
Now you can check this, and you can see that like it's pretty smooth. Like there's no bubbles in it. That's yours.
Wheel time?
Yeah, wheel time. Everything I do is wheel thrown. The hardest part for you today will be your patience, I would say. it would be throwing and realizing that it's gonna be pretty hard. Okay, so the first step is to lock it in the wheel. So you wanna get it as centered as possible. So you wanna go like boom. And then what I do is, I just go like this. That's the most slapping that I'll give you right now. It's like pretty much locked in. You've never done pottery before, right?
No, this is it.
So it's really important to know like a few steps of wheel throwing. First one is get the clay on the wheel.
Get the clay on the wheel.
The second
Step
one is center the clay on the wheel.
Step 2, center the clay on the wheel.
Yeah, and then third is like throwing the cup.
I think my cup is gonna be cupping at the end.
Yeah, like
Come
smack
here.
it down. Oh, yeah, that's good. Feel it out, like turn it on, turn it off, see how it goes. Now like rip it, turn it off. You just wanna make sure you're giving even like amounts of pressure throughout, right? Mine's like almost centered. I haven't even put an ounce of water on it yet. Spin yours.
Oh, I see what you mean. You really see how off-center it is when you spin
Right?
it.
Yeah, start it up and I'll show you. What is this? No way. Why do they sell this?
You would be so shocked what you can find on Amazon. I'm also...
They're fake fingers. Ew. Wait, I want one. Oh my god. Ew. Wait, hold on. I'm obsessed. Why do you buy so many?
No, it was a 1 pack.
This is like so flesh-like.
It's so flesh-like. I didn't realize how like powdery and real they would feel.
This is so gross. I can't believe you brought these. You have enough for me too?
Yeah, I have 40.
Oh, okay, let's put them on. We may as well put them all on. You guys should all wear these. You should have made it mandatory for the crew.
Everyone
has
nubbies.
to wear these. Okay, what do we do now?
I guess I don't really know what I'm getting into with the actual throwing portion. I'm enthusiastically optimistic and a little delusional probably, thinking I'm gonna be okay at this.
If there's any friction, that means there's not enough water. So maybe grab your sponge as a beginner. Just have your sponge in your right hand. See how I'm holding it? Oh. As you push in, the piece naturally wants to raise. So the goal is to get that wobble out of there. See how when mine's spinning,
Yeah.
it basically looks like it's not moving.
Super symmetrical, yeah. I am definitely a little nervous. I thought that maybe it was gonna be easier than it was, and I feel like almost all the experts in these episodes so far in this series have been like, yeah, anyone can do it. This is the first time we've had an expert being like, no, you can't.
We can try. Like,
I love the enthusiasm.
no, I mean, like, I'm not gonna bullshit your way through this. Like, it's hard, but I can help you and guide your hands.
Oh.
So I'm lifting it up, and then I'm pushing it down.
Yeah, down.
We have to make for you specifically like a hockey puck, because that's kind of like a nice base for a cup.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, the piece of clay fell off.
This was, in fact, harder than anticipated.
Okay, wait, hold on.
The actual throwing, I think getting the hang of how the wheel moves, and you don't, but you also kind of do to form a shape and manipulate the clay, was a learning process that I think literally the more minutes that I spent on the wheel made more sense. And also maybe the nails, which is a self-inflicted problem that I could solve. I need like a squatty potty of pottery, you know what I mean?
No, I don't. All right, let's see what it looks like.
It looks like a little mini cheesecake.
Okay, so you got it. Like, it's centered. It barely looks like it's moving, right?
Yeah.
That's good. That means like you're ready to go. I love pottery because I'm able to freely do what I want every day and put designs on cups that I want to put on and report to no one. You're cupping it, you're locked in. Right leg locked in. Boom. Left leg locked in.
Yep.
Thumb starts diving in.
Ew, the condom thing is doing a weird thing.
Oh, ew. Ew. Now I want you to claw it. So you're gonna get back on here, like this, boom. Just lock in.
Am I doing it?
Yeah, now
Do I go?
slow. Boom. Come on, so good. Now use like one of your fingers to smooth all that shit out. Oh, what do you do?
What's this?
Don't just gasp like that. It's not scaring me. I think that's good. So see, it's like kind of like reminiscent of a cup.
It looks like a little jar.
We're going to make the walls higher. So you're gonna pinch it. You're just gonna slowly raise the piece.
Whoa.
Try to feel where the finger is on the inside and use the outside finger to kind of, oh, you're going for it.
Don't go for it.
No, go for it.
Go for it. It's giving bowl.
It's giving bowl.
It's giving bowl.
Keep going.
Keep going?
Yeah, you can do it a couple times. I don't know what this move is called, but like, it's kind of like a choke, like, it's like, you're basically bringing in the piece evenly and you're recentering it on your wheel. Yeah, good.
Oh, there we go.
Nice. Pretty good.
I'll take it.
Is this your first time doing this?
Yes.
Wow.
It wasn't obvious.
I don't know. It's not that bad.
I've always wanted to try pottery. Again, I feel like it's kind of in the same realm as guitar, where it's like, when you have nails, there are a couple things and hobbies that you just can't commit to unless you want to chop all your nails off. And I know that sounds so vain, but listen, my hands are on camera all day, every day.
I'm gonna show you this technique. This is called onion ringing in my workshop. You wanna get one finger on the inside and you're just gonna slowly ring in the needle and then it's gonna touch it just lops off like
a little chunk.
Like it lops off that uneven shit.
I don't know what you mean.
Drop it lower. I want you to take off like a little bit. Wow.
Onion ring!
Onion ring. And now you have like an even flat surface.
The spinning kind of does all the work. Like I'm
yeah,
getting it now.
the wheel does all the work.
Yeah, the wheel does all the work.
So you just use this spear thing.
Wow! Oh shit.
That's my cup now. For my process, I don't really use very fancy tools. I don't actually use many tools at all. Isn't that good?
That looks way better. There was definitely a point at the beginning where I was like, oh, my piece is going to be busted.
And you can take it off. This is your piece.
Woo!
Pretty good. What? I do this for a living, all right?
My edge is just so thick.
Yeah,
it's like half an inch.
Yeah, that's a lot of clay. I'm gonna remove it from there, put it on a piece of wood, and just let it like beat in the sun for like 20 minutes with a fan on it.
Okay.
And it'll dry pretty quick. Then I'll flip it, and then we'll trim it. So that's where I put the foot on it. It's like a little ringed foot where it can sit nicely on the table. It has to be flat, obviously. And then I put my stamp in. My stamp is just my ring. I have little pieces of clay that you're gonna use just to lock it in. So it should compress and attach to the wheel. So now you can spin it as fast as you want. It's not going anywhere.
Woo!
See how it comes off in like ribbons?
Yeah,
it's really cool.
Yeah.
Isn't it cool? Isn't it cool?
To be honest, I was kind of like getting attached to all my like weird little lumpies on the side.
Well, no, you don't want that. But look at this.
Whoa! That's so satisfying.
And see how it comes off. Every time I post something like this,
forbidden.
Someone says forbidden spaghetti. What is forbidden spaghetti?
That's forbidden. It just means that like you want it, like it looks edible.
Oh, it's a saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then slowly bring it out. I would say hold the piece closer to the end. Yeah, now you can like bring it out. See if it's stable. Why are you holding your arm like you're in trouble? Like
it's my stabilization arm.
It's like,
hold.
This is my favorite part because like I can trim down a piece of shit into like a cup. Now like give it a little more oomph until you get to where you want the base of your foot ring to be, like this. Now bring it back in.
Oh my God!
Yeah, now
what
bring it
the?
back. I'd say that's as deep as we want to go. And now you should keep your blade flat and level all this.
Okay.
Oh my God, good job. Yeah, this is great.
Forbidden spaghetti! Wow.
This ain't bad. Like this is like an actual cup now.
I really thought I was gonna make a piece of shit.
I'm gonna keep these as a memento for our time together. Now, you remove the little lumpies. Cup will just come right off and look at that.
Wow.
We're ready to carve. So I carve all freehand. It does take a little feel for it. Like you gotta feel like how thick the clay is or the stability of your hands, like how you hold the cup and all these different aspects that are important.
So I had this viewer create these moose stickers for me years ago. Cloris creates, she's incredibly talented. These are adorable. I've literally not used them because they're so cute and I'm scared to commit to putting them on anything. And because Moose got a rug in the rug tufting video, I'm gonna fold the ear in the design of this one so it can be diggy because he did not get a rug.
How do you make it look folded?
It kind of just looks like a rolled up Dorito. It's our favorite feature on Diggy, his Dorito ear.
You want to start like a really light outline. Cute. This is definitely a more meditative craft versus the other ones you've been doing. There's no like open fires or anything.
This is so much more peaceful.
This is cute. And you know what? You should
It's
just
very much like cat dog though.
No, this is cute. You should add some shit around it, like flames. You want to add some flames?
Flames?
Yeah, be
Should I
like
add some flowers?
This is her dog.
Guys!
The one advice I'd give to young potters, or someone trying to get into it, just don't overthink it. Experiment and see what works for you. I was lucky where I found like my carving, painting thing, but it takes time to really develop that. The process, what I do is pretty long actually. It's very labor intensive. Like this is a lot of work, but like the amount of hours that went into it is like tremendous. This is the final stage.
The final stage. I've got my Diggo. I also have a photo of Diggo to make it color accurate.
I mean, this has to go through like 10 hours of like 2200 degrees.
Just baking.
Yeah, the
Got
colors don't exactly translate, but they're rough.
Ooh.
It's gonna look good.
I'm obsessed. It looks so good. There was a point at the very beginning of the throwing where I was like, oh, I'm taking home a piece of ass today.
No. This would be nice. You should make like a series of these and sell them.
It takes so long.
This is cute.
It's cute.
Good job.
Yeah, that's so cute.
You gotta use it though. I'll be offended if you don't use it.
But it's so nice. That's what I'm stressed about.
It's not that nice.
I think I put a ton of little nail dents in the side of it though.
Yeah, we
Right here.
can wiped that away. You can like smooth it out.
Oh my God, it looks so good.
I think it's good.
Done.
Yeah, it's like, you know, it's a couple of things off.
Where does she go now?
She has to dry it a little bit and then we'll pop her in the kiln. One time at a lower temp and then one time after you glaze it at a really high temp. And then that's it, it's done.
That's it, that's done.
A little sanding on the bottom to smooth it out. It's pretty good. Honestly, like it's pretty solid.
Overall, I think I did quite well. I know Danny thinks that I should not quit my day job, but honestly, my cup bowl, my coal, my bup looks so good. The reveal! She's ready, she's ready.
Came out pretty good.
Do you mean that?
Yeah, I do.
Do you mean that? Look at it! Oh my God, it's so thick. Like the lip of this is so thick. It's so cute.
I think you did a good job.
I don't even want to show it near like the professional ones.
No, stop
We'll
it.
take it.
It's cute. I think she did a great job. She's definitely excelling in carving and painting over throwing and trimming.
I think my favorite part of my piece is probably the shape of it, which is also my least favorite part. It's like the Hello Kitty tattoo. Like the best part is the worst part.
I would like to see maybe next time to be more cup shaped.
Me having the blind delusion and confidence of thinking that the throwing portion was gonna be easier, it was not. I also think that I set myself back by not having full use of like the ends of my fingertips. Although my solution was incredibly creative, it was only semi-efficient, I think.
Her solution to the long fingernails was a little disturbing, but I will forever have them on my shelf. You can find me in a lot of different places, primarily on my website, DannyD'sMudShop.com. My shoulders are all the same, Danny D's Mud Shop.
I am going to place this on a shelf and admire it from afar because I am a clumsy individual. Maybe could it store like a memory card?
What? No, I want you to use it. I'm gonna be offended and upset if you don't use it.
Okay, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put fruit into my bup.
Into your what?
My bup. Bowl cup.
Oh, I thought you said fruit in your butt. I was like, what? What did you just say?
I'm putting fruit in my butt, and that's the end of the video.
Yeah.
Okay, great.